Hello guys, we are back. Let's try to do the grid system for the thing we need. Here, you see the problem here is that, let me just delete them all first. You see the problem is that when you add a grade, for example, you name them 1, 2, 3. The problem is that, let me just space them up from here. The first one is 350. The second one is 10. The third one is 380. Okay, it's all the grading, and add another one at 0. But you see the problem is it's 0 coordinate. Okay, the problem is that we need to change the names here to 4, 3, 2, 2, 1. Now, see, it's 0, it's 3. You see, the spacing is giving us a hard time. Because of that, at first, change everything's name to something different, for example, like this. Then we are going to space them one by one. We are going to space them from here to top. Okay, the first one is 4, 0. You see the 0 is here. We name it 4. Okay. The second one is 380. 380. Okay. We name it here. And the other one is, we need a calculator to sum 380 to 650. It's 1030. Let me just write it here to 1000 and what the number 30. Okay, it's right. This is 2, and we just need to set the last one to add 300. Oh, sorry. 350. 380. Okay, it's good. Let me add it here. 380 and call it 1. You see the grading is created. Now we press OK and another OK and wait a little. It takes a little time, but it's not important. We wait a little. You see the grading is created, but always double check the grading to make no problem. Absolutely, you need no problem, no mistake. In your designing, you need no mistake. You must check it 1,000 times, because when you are signing something, all the responsibility go to yourself. It's okay. 650 okay, 380 okay, 285 okay, and the last one is okay. The grading system has been created. Now in the next lesson, I'm going to teach you how to change the grading system from here, how to modify it. For example, let's say a mistake appeared, we need to change it. I'm going to teach you about that. Until the next time, have a nice day.